welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and today I have a Mominside unboxing. I will be doing a packing video. Now I found Mominside when I was looking on the Miss Fong website, and I asked Miss Fong, what is this backpack? I have to have it. And she's just so awesome. She's promoting another mom who also does backpacks and has just gotten started. So it made me just love Miss Fong even more. I ordered a bag from Miss Fong, another one in another color. And I also, Mominside was also nice enough to send me one of her backpacks so that way we could try it out and unbox it. So I will unbox today, and then I'm going to use it for a week or two and come back with a review. And I will also do a packing video. Stay tuned. Sorry, my golden doodle is in the picture. Okay, starting out, the padding is really nice. The bag has this mesh and it's really padded back here. And it has this to go over the luggage. Let's look at this front pocket. So it does have the jade interior, which I adore. This pocket fits my hand. Pretty good size pocket. And here we go. Now we have this front pocket, which is very roomy. And you have space up here too. And a really nice rolled grab handle. Double zippers, guys. Yes, every mom's dream. Double zippers. So the inside, let's open this up. The inside is beautiful. The brown and the jade just really complement each other. It does have a padded pocket right here for a laptop. Another huge pocket right here. Then it has two pockets here, and it also has pen slots, which I am a huge fan of because I always have pens with me. This pocket here, the logo says Mominside. Let's open this up, see how deep this one goes. Oh wow, yes, another really good size pocket. So, another reason why I just had to try this bag was because it has this little feature at the bottom. So you see here, it has two zippers at the bottom. And you're able to put even more items, or shoes is what she had in the picture, which I'm really excited to use this one because I always have my shoes in my gym bag and I don't keep them in anything. I just throw them in there. And I'm going to try this bag as a gym bag, and I'm really excited because of this pocket. I can put my shoes at the bottom and it's not going to touch any of my other stuff. Now also, I know that you could also put your pumping supplies in here because it's easy access. This just has like it's not foam or anything, just regular. Let's see what else. Let's see, these side pockets, they are insulated. Now I will go into detail about the size of the bag and what bottles will fit here. So two insulated pockets, and then in the back, flip this over here. It does have a zipper pocket here. One zipper pull. And it is padded, of course, because of this. So I'm assuming iPad, which would be a perfect spot. Easy access, easy to handle in and out, or get in and out. So I'm really looking forward to trying out this bag, and you guys will have a full review, and you will also have a packing video with this. I will be doing it, I will be taking it to the gym, I will be packing for toddlers, and I will pack for baby as well, so you can see what it's like packed as baby. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Have an awesome morning.